What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the maintenance series on the X5. Today I'm going to do a quick video on how to service your rear diff. If you haven't followed along, we already serviced the front diff, and we also did replace the shocks on all four corners. So if you're interested, check out those tutorials. Today we're going to service the rear diff, and it's really simple, really easy. It's easier than an oil change. All you will need for this procedure is basically one tool, which is a 14mm Allen, obviously the oil, and some kind of extraction device. Now, reason being you will need a extraction device is because the diff is designed in a way that there's no drain plug, so you will need to extract the fluid through the fill plug, because BMW did not put a service interval on the rear diff. It's considered a lifetime oil, which is kind of bonkers if you ask me, especially if you're towing. The fluid needs to be changed at least every 50,000 miles. So that's what we're gonna do today. And obviously you will need oil. Now, oil that is required for this rear diff is 70W80, and I'm gonna be using this only alternative that's currently available, opposed to BMW variant from Mopar. If you haven't followed the series, go check out the front differential video where I explain how BMW has changed the naming of their differential fluids and their ludicrous pricing, making people think that there's no other alternatives, but in fact there is, and this is the only alternative for the rear diff. For example, this fluid from Mopar costs about $27 for 1 quart, which is enough to service the diff. Now, the BMW alternative costs for the same amount about $200. It's $100 per half a liter, and you will need about 850 to 900 milliliters of this oil to complete the service. This alternative saves you quite a bit of money just by switching to this fluid, and there literally is no difference. I have used it in the past and there is no problems with this fluid. Now, you will need an extraction pump. This is honestly not the best solution because my syringe is only good for 100 milliliters, and you will have to extract about 850, so you'll have to be filling this up about 8 times. You could definitely use something with a bigger capacity in this situation. So let's undo the fill plug and start working on the oil change. You could see how the fluid is brown. It's really used up. You're done filling, put the fill plug right back in. And torque spec on the fill plug is 60 Newton meters. Spray it with some brake cleaner just to clean up the area. That is it. That's how quick it was. It literally took about 20 minutes. You could probably do it in 15. I was taking my sweet time while recording this. You could pretty much do this anywhere. As you see, I did it on some ramps, and by using the Mopar alternative oil, you save yourself a boatload of money while achieving the same exact result if you were to use the BMW specified diff oil. So if this was helpful, don't forget to hit a like, comment down below and consider subscribing to the channel. I'll catch you next one. Peace.